No.
Yes.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum, dear listeners and viewers. Welcome back, all of you, to my English class. Today, there are so many smart guys. Basically, two guys are very much interested to have a conversation. So please introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Arifur Rahman.
Arifur Rahman. And what's your name?
My name is Angsathoy Marma.
Okay. Are you a teacher?
Yeah, I'm a teacher.
Teacher. Okay. I think you're also service soldier. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So I welcome both of you to have a conversation. Please give a big hand for that. Okay. Let's get started.
Hello, gentlemen.
Yes, of course.
My name is Angsathoy Marma. What's your name?
My name is Arifur Rahman. You call Arif.
Okay, very nice name. How have you been today?
I have been great by the grace of Allah. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also keeping good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, let's practice about Amy sir. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Is he mad?
Again?
Is he mad?
No, he's not mad.
It's
Rather,
not mad.
he's not mad. Rather, he's a gentleman.
Okay. It's a marca?
Again?
No,
It's a marca?
no, it's
Is
not.
Is it a marca?
No, it's not marker. Rather, it's a pen.
Okay. Am I a teacher?
Yes, I think you are teacher.
Are you adult?
Yes, I am adult.
Okay. Is she a teacher?
I think she's teacher.
Okay. Are they students?
Yes, they are students.
Okay. Is she at home? Is he at home?
No, he's not at home. Rather, he's in the class.
Good. Well done. Give a big hand. Thank you. Okay, please listen to me. What's your name, please?
My name is Margaret Tripura.
Okay. And what's your name? Please look at the camera.
My name is Minoti Tanchanga.
Okay. Are you ready to have a conversation?
Yes, I'm
okay,
ready.
let's get started, please.
Let's practice Amy sir.
Yes,
Are you
okay.
ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Am I a teacher?
Maybe I think you are teacher.
Yes. Is he a student?
He is not a student, but rather he is a learner.
Okay. Are you coming with me?
Yes, I'm coming with you.
Good.
Okay. Are they singing?
No, they are not singing. They are listening. They are listening us.
Good. Listening to us.
Is he a boy?
Yes, he is a boy.
Good. Well done. Excellent.
Okay. Are we in the class?
Yes, we are in the class.
Okay. Is he a gentleman?
Yes, I think he is a gentleman.
Am I okay?
Yes, you are okay.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay. Thank you. Please give a big hand. Thank you. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Nusemong Marma.
Oh, that's great. What's your name, please?
My name is Durjay Barua.
Durjay Barua. So who will ask the questions?
I am.
Okay. Please let's get started.
Okay. Let's. Amizar, are you ready?
Let's name is
Sorry.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What is your name?
My name is Durjay Barua.
Durjay Barua. And what's your name, please?
My name is Nusemong Marma.
Nusai Mong. Okay. Are you ready to have a conversation?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Let's get started.
Okay. Let's discuss Amizar. Are you interested?
Yes, I'm interested.
Okay. Am I baby?
No, you're not baby.
Okay.
Rather, you're an adult.
Okay. Is it t-shirt?
No, it's not t-shirt, but rather it's long shirt.
Good.
Okay.
Well done. Give a big hand. Excellent boy.
Is it yours?
No, it's not mine. Rather, it's
It's
yours.
not mine.
Mine.
Okay. Is he a mat?
No,
Again, is he mad?
Is he mat?
no, he's not mad, but he's adult.
Are you going with me?
No, I'm not going with you.
Okay. Is he a lady?
No, he's not lady, but he's a professional.
He's a professional. Good. Well done. Give a big hand. Thank you. Ready? Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm
What's your name, please?
My name is Yaisanu Marma.
Okay. And what's your name?
My name is Minu Marma.
Minu Marma. Okay. Let's have a conversation. Let's get started.
Let's practice Amizar. Are you ready? Are you excited to have conversation with me?
Yes, I'm interested and excited.
Wow, amazing. Give a big hand.
Thank
Welcome back.
you.
Okay, carry on.
Are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay. Are you coming with me?
Of course, I'm coming with you.
Wow, amazing.
Okay.
Super.
Is he mad?
No, he's not mad.
Man, good.
He's a good boy.
He's a good boy.
Okay. Is she teacher?
I'm not sure, but I think she's a social worker.
She's a social worker.
Worker.
Wow, excellent. Excellent.
Okay. Are you learner in this English class?
Of course, I'm learner in the English class.
I'm a learner in English class.
I'm a learner in the English class.
Okay.
Okay. Are you teaching me?
No, I'm teaching.
I'm not.
I'm not teaching.
You. I'm not teaching you.
I'm not teaching you.
Okay, good answer. Are they learner? Are they learner?
Of course, we are learners.
We are learners. But are they learners? Are they learners?
Of course,
They
are learners.
Well done. Give me a big hand. Thank you very much.
Where do you practice English?
I practice English at Jahir English Care.
Okay. Why do you practice English?
I practice English to develop myself.
Good.
Okay. With whom do you practice English?
I practice English with my colleagues and with my
Teacher.
teacher. Yes.
Okay. Will you practice English tomorrow?
Yes, I will practice English tomorrow.
With whom?
With whom will you practice English?
I practice English. I will practice English with my colleagues.
Good.
About what do you practice English?
About what do you practice English?
I practice English about myself.
Okay. Did you practice English last day?
Yes, I practiced English last day.
Where did you practice English last day?
I practiced English at my school.
Wow, amazing. How long, how often?
How often did you practice English
Last day?
last day?
I practiced English once
Last day.
last day.
Okay.
How long?
And how long do you practice English?
Did you or do you?
How long did you practice English last day?
I practiced English around 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Good.